Good morning, my dear students. How is your Josh this morning? Do you feel that you have heard these statements before? Yes, you are correct. These were my common expressions while addressing you during our morning assembly at St. Mary's Auditorium. So shall we recall those days of our school where we used to meet and greet each other in the morning, coming down to St. Mary's Auditorium for the morning assembly as a family, singing praises to Almighty God for the bountiful blessings, sharing our knowledge and wisdom, wishing our birthday kids, and finally showing our unity in diversity, and slowly moving to our respective classes to begin our regular studies. In this way, my dear students, morning assembly is to set the tone for the rest of the day. I know at the moment you all are sad because you are missing all these days for the last 3 months. You are at home and we are at school. The present situation has kept us separately for a brief period of time. Nevertheless, my dear students, today we won't disappoint you. So let's get ready for the morning assembly. Morning assembly? Yes, you heard it correctly. Today, on the occasion of International Day of Yoga, we would like to conduct morning assembly in a virtual manner. Our staff members are ready to lead you into morning assembly. Therefore, before I conclude, let me remind you of the famous dictum, be happy and make others happy. You all are our happy children. You make us happy. You make your parents, grandparents, siblings happy by being sincere, truthful and responsible. Therefore, during this virtual morning assembly, let us take active part. Let us enjoy the day by doing some yogasanas at home or wherever you are right now. May God bless you. Be at home. Be safe. Thank you.
Yoga does not change the way we see things. It transforms the person who sees. By Padma Vibhushan Shri B.K.S. Iyengar. Good day to all. We have gathered here to celebrate the 6th International Yoga Day in our school through virtual platform amidst this present pandemic. The Ministry of Ayush has recommended yoga as a general measure to boost immunity for self-care to fight against COVID-19. Hence, we have come to a realization the importance of yoga in our daily life. Let us all recite the morning prayer as Mrs. Dapsy Vaz will lead us with Eternal God.
Children, kindly join with me. Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my neighbor for your sake. Help me that I may never, in my thoughts, words or deeds, offend your holy name.
We shall now invoke the blessings of the Lord through a prayer song by our school children, though being absent, have responded enthusiastically from the safety of their homes through a video.
Singing you
I request Mrs. Manjula Blazo to enlighten us about the yogic journey in India, which is our pride gifted to the world.
Good morning to one and all. It's my pleasure and pride to say a few lines about the importance of this historic day. 21st of June is important because it is the longest day in the northern hemisphere, and it is believed that on this day Lord Shiva imparted the knowledge of yoga to the world. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India, and Patanjali is called the father of yoga, and it was practiced only by the rishis and the sadhus. The common man was not aware of yoga. It was late Yogacharya Dr. B.K.S. Iyengar who brought yoga to the common man. He is the pioneer of Iyengar yoga because his style of yoga is different. He uses props to make people learn in an easy way and enjoy doing the asanas. International Day of Yoga was initiated by Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, on the 21st of June 2015. Yoga is a gift by India to the world. The practice of yoga unites the mind and the body, bringing us closer to nature and to imbibe a holistic approach to mental and physical health. It is not an exercise because it helps us to understand our body, our existence and surroundings, and blend with the gift of nature. The asanas helps the body to respond to the breathing techniques that helps to rejuvenate the internal organs and the functions. In the process, the body heals, refreshes and becomes active. Even in the present crisis of COVID-19, yoga has played a very important role of improving the immunity of our body. For that matter, any form of active exercise keeps the body healthy, and our health is in our hands. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Thank you, ma'am. We are very happy to see our students who have taken this art seriously through practice during lockdown and have posted their videos and pictures, which we shall now present before you. live a better life physically, mentally, and spiritually as well. Our teachers have put in their efforts and are here to perform a few asanas. As we come to the end of today's celebration, I request everyone to rise and sing the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदा